So I went ahead and hired someone to come in here and build that paint booth. It just kind of removes all that stress and headache for me. Once he gets here, we're going to go in there and start mapping it out where I'm going to put it and everything. So once it's up, then I'll be up and running to start getting some vehicles in here within the next month or two, God willing. So I'm excited for that. So yesterday we were able to get the whole back portion where the filters go done, which I feel is probably the most complex. There will be some modifications that need to be done. I have confidence that we're on a good schedule right now. I'm excited to see that actually clear. That was my biggest concern, was the clearance of the booth to the roof. So the gentleman's been here for a couple of days now. The booth is pretty much almost done. This is where it's gonna be set up. There's not much room anymore to work. This side of the shop, I hang my paint gun, I have my mixing area, all my mixing stuff, and then the other side is where the restroom's at. Only thing left is run the wiring, hang the doors, seal it, anchor it. The outside's already been cleaned up. I'm gonna change out all these lights. It has just the old fluorescent lights, and I'm gonna go ahead and do away with those, and I'm gonna go with LED panels. I'm excited to get this going. I'm excited to start doing some work, start getting some vehicles in here, getting them primed, getting them coated, doing some bed liners, anything that comes my way. So on one of these walls, I'm gonna do a big mural. I haven't decided what yet. I may put a piece of plywood first and seal it, but I am gonna put a mural in here. So be on the lookout for that. All right, so as you can see here, he got the doors hung up today and some of the lights. So we're getting really close to finishing up, which is good. The only thing left after he finishes that up is go in there, seal everything up, and coat it. And it's a dream come true, man. This is a dream come true. I've always wanted to have my own paint booth, my own shop, and this is a little piece of heaven for me. This is everything I've ever wanted. Not much, but it's a hell of a start. I look forward to being able to put my stamp on a lot of work and showcasing my passions, if you will.
No, I mean, that way you can just take it in and put the loop on it.
Go ahead. I think the piece need to go about right in here, start the first one. Well, we pull it right here, and then go another joint. Wherever it ends up, put another. You can put a piece. Yeah. All right, guys, quick update. Oh, man, it's hot as hell in here. All right, the booth is up, as you heard right now. It's wired in. Only a few things I got to do next. I got to come in here, clean up the surfaces, and get it painted. But other than that, the booth is up, ready to start doing some work. So yesterday, we also ran the air lines. My brother helped me run that. So what you have here, with galvanized line everywhere. That's gonna distribute air through the whole shop. Aiming for the end of the month to be able to open the doors, so that's been the goal all along. Hoping that I can have a better update for you guys soon. Stay tuned, guys. The shop is coming along nicely. We've been cleaning it up. Restrooms up and running and getting a lot of this stuff cleaned out. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, like it and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Later.